Hello guys, and welcome back for another Vechain price prediction analysis video. And on today's update video, I will be focusing on the key areas of supports that we need to continue holding above, the key areas of resistances that we need to see a break above, and above all, give you my long-term perspective of the Vechain chart. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video here on the weekly chart, from the lows that we made in June 2023, you can see that we saw these bounce over here into the highs we made above the 0.05512, where at some point the market was up more than 319.46% to the upside. And then from the highs we made in Feb 2024, we started a bit of a breakdown move into the lows that we made in August 2024, where you can see that at some point the market was down more than 65.59%. Then from the lows we made in August 2024, we started another impulsive bounce to the upside into the highs we made above the 0.08 USDT mark, where the market was up more than 319.89%, which was a 3x to the upside from the lows we made in August 2024. Then from the highs we made in December 2024, we started a massive breakdown move into the lows that we made in October 2025, where you can see that at some point from the highs, the market was down more than 87.74% to the lower side. And then after that massive breakdown move, we got a massive buyback. Then you can see that this week we have continued to see lower prices. And based on this massive liquidation event, I have two possible scenarios that can play out here on the Vechain chart. And the first one is that Vechain is going to continue holding above this significant low that we made below the 0.01474, and that is better seen here on the daily chart. So on the daily chart, we need to continue holding above this significant low over here, and as long as we continue holding above it, there's a very high chance that we can easily see another push to the upside, break above the highs we made over here above the 0.02027, continue pushing higher. And the moment we see a substantial break above the 0.03 USDT mark, which is a very significant high, then that will be the first indication that a more bullish case scenario is unfolding. So the significant high we need to see a break above lies above the 0.03409. The moment we break above that, maybe with a retest, and maybe we also get a 5-wave structure to the upside followed by an ABC corrective structure, then that will be the first indication that a more bullish case scenario is now unfolding, where we can easily see Vechain attempting to take out the highs we made in December 2024 above the 0.08 USDT mark. But if by any chance we lose our significant low over here below the 0.01475, flipping it back into resistance, that will be the first indication that a more bearish case scenario is unfolding, where we can first expect Vechain to give us a weak fill of the week that we left over here by dropping all the way to the 0.01 USDT mark. And the moment we start seeing such case scenarios, then we need to be very cautious, because there's a very high chance that Vechain can continue dropping all the way to the lows we made in October 2020, and also the lows we made in March 2020, and on the worst case scenario also drop to a point that we make a new bear market low before we can start our next reversal to the upper side. So those are key scenarios that we need to have in mind in case we start losing significant areas here on the Vechain chart. And for now, until we get a substantial breakout to the upside in a 5-wave structure followed by an ABC corrective structure, then the trend is down and we should continue expecting lower prices. And The moment we start getting, the moment we get a 5-wave structure and an ABC corrective bounce, that is a corrective move, that is the only time we can start to consider a change of trend and expect higher prices on the Vechain chart. So let us be patient and see how that plays out, and I will ensure you stay up to date.